Ito si John, isang hard-working employee with a bright future ahead of him. Ayun nga lang, John has a problem that he's been struggling with for a while. Procrastination. Procrastination is a habit that affects many people, and it's something that can be detrimental to productivity. Ang procrastination ay maaaring magdulot ng negative effects sa productivity. Kapag nakasanayan ito, it can lead to delayed or unfinished tasks, causing stress and boredom, and hindering the achievement of goals. Procrastination is like a trap that many of us fall into, delaying tasks that we need to complete, at hindi maganda ang mga nagiging consequences nito, pero hindi natin ito namamalayan. When we procrastinate, we delay important tasks and we don't give ourselves enough time to complete them. This can lead to a decrease in the quality of our work, missed deadlines, at syempre, more stress. Dahil sa procrastination, madalas ay nagmamadali ka na upang matapos ang mga gawain mo, and the proper level of concentration and thinking may not be used at maaaring magdulot ito ng pagkakamali and incomplete work. Procrastination can even lead to missed opportunities, as we may not have enough time to showcase our skills and talents. In situations where time is valuable, tulad ng school projects or at work, maaaring mag-result ang procrastination ng missed chances to showcase your skills and talents. Kapag nangyari ito, maaaring hindi makita ng teacher mo kung gaano ka kagaling o hindi makita ng boss ang skills mo at maaaring mawala ang promotion opportunities. But it's not too late for John or kahit na sino man who also struggles with procrastination. Kung aaralin mo at sasanayin mo ang sarili mo on how to avoid procrastination and manage time effectively, we can increase productivity and achieve our goals. By setting realistic deadlines, breaking down large tasks into smaller ones, and focusing on one thing at a time, maaari nating ma-overcome ang procrastination at maging mas productive. Madalas kasi na ino-overestimate natin ang kaya natin gawin sa isang araw. Nagseset kasi ang karamihan sa atin ng unrealistic deadlines, but we don't know what to prioritize. Hindi naman kasi ibig sabihin na gumising ka ng 5 a.m., nakinig ka sa mga motivational music at nagtrabaho ka ng hanggang late at night ay matatapos mo na ang lahat ng task mo. Ino-overestimate mo ang kaya mong tapusin in a day. Kaya kapag nagpatong-patong na ang mga hindi mo natapos, magsisimula ka nang mag-procrastinate. Set realistic deadlines, break down large tasks into smaller ones, focus on one thing at a time, and most importantly, know your priorities. Sa ganitong paraan, maiiwasan natin ang procrastination, and we can manage our time effectively. We can also increase productivity and achieve our goals. Procrastination is a common challenge na kinakaharap ng karamihan sa atin. It can be a difficult habit to break. It may seem like an easy way out, but it's a trap that can destroy your productivity. It's time to break free and achieve great things. Kaya naman, narito ang ilang mga tips na maaari mong sundin upang maiwasan ito. Tip number 1. Set your goals and priorities. Clearly define what you want to achieve and prioritize your task. Malaki ang maitutulong nito upang mas maging focus at motivated ka. Tip number 2. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Hatiin mo ang big projects into smaller, more achievable ones. Sa ganitong paraan, madali mo itong masimulan at tapusin. Bago kami magpatuloy, i-share mo naman ang ilan sa mga tips mo for overcoming procrastination to increase productivity. Ilagay mo ito sa comment section. Huwag niyo rin kalilimutan ang mag-like at mag-subscribe. Dumako naman tayo sa tip number 3. Set deadlines and timelines. Gumawa ka ng deadlines para matapos mo ang mga gawain mo. Kung mayroon kang listahan ng mga gawain na kailangang gawin sa loob ng isang araw o linggo, mas madali mong maorganisa ang mga ito at malalaman mo kung alin ang dapat mong unahin. Tip number 4. Eliminate distractions. Minimize distractions by turning off your phone or other notifications, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, and finding a quiet workspace. Iwasan ang mga bagay na nakapagpapalayo sa iyo sa pagkakaroon ng focus sa iyong mga gawain. Kung mas focus ka sa ginagawa mo, mas mabilis mong matatapos ang mga kailangan mong tapusin. Tip number 5. Use the Pomodoro Technique. Ang Pomodoro Technique ay isang time management framework na makakatulong sa iyo to improve your focus and productivity. It involves working for a set amount of time, usually 25 minutes. At pagkatapos ay pagkakaroon ng short break. This can help you stay focused and motivated. Tip number 6. Reward yourself. Hindi masama ang magpahinga at i-treat ang sarili lalo na kung natapos mo ang mga gawain kailangan mong tapusin. Deserve mong i-celebrate ang mga accomplishments mo by rewarding yourself. This will help you stay motivated and reinforce positive behavior. Tandaan mo na ang pagkakaroon ng tamang perspective, diskarte, at dedication ay mahalaga sa pag-iwas sa procrastination. Ang pagkakaroon ng tamang perspective, diskarte, at dedication ay mahalaga sa pag-iwas sa procrastination. Pero, bigyan mo ang sarili mo ng time. Avoiding procrastination is a process, and it takes time and effort to establish new habits. Be patient, persistent, and don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Just keep working towards your goals and you will see progress over time.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos.